What's up, everybody watching? We are back with another TCG opening, and yet again I've decided to pop into a blaster box of the Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection. These cards have been an absolute pleasure for me to open as a trading card collector and a heavy Blizzard Entertainment gamer. I've been playing competitive games with Blizzard for years, and I've been playing their games since they've been a company. Started out with Warcraft 1, and Warcraft 2 just took it to another level. And a lot of these cards go even that far back. They even go further back to Rock and Roll Racing and Blackthorn, other games that Blizzard has created throughout the years. It is just pure gaming nostalgia ripping into these boxes. If this is your first time watching a Blizzard Entertainment box and you're a Blizzard fan, this should be a treat. Let's go ahead and rip into this blaster box and see if we can get anything that we haven't pulled before. Here we go. Moment is upon us. 7 fresh packs. Ready to go. We get something really nice, I'm definitely sending it out to get graded. There they are. Let's get started. This will not be the last Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection I open. I'm definitely going to get a hold of a hobby box and a few more blaster boxes and try to put together as much as I can of a full set of these. You have to be really careful ripping into these because the cards are very sturdy and it can be easy to ding the edges. So you have to watch when tearing into these. Let's see what we get. Magni Bronzebeard, Sergeant Hammer, Elise Starseeker, Zagara, Artanis, Senjin, Lurker, and Lane Rin. That pack is mostly duplicates. Next one. I'm feeling like we're gonna get lucky in this box. I don't know why, I just have that feeling. Malfurion Stormrage, Magtheridon, Garrosh Hellscream. That's one of my favorite cards in the entire Blizzard Legacy Collection. Garrosh is my main in Hearthstone, 1000 wins plus. Junkrat, that is a new card. That is definitely going into a binder. Stalker, Trollbane, Diablo, Zealot. At least we got some new things we could add to a binder. One day I'm going to show that binder once I get everything inside it. Speaking of showing binders, if anyone has any tips on how to not get a glare when showing these cards on camera in a binder, leave that in the comment section. I'd like to hear it. I almost want to get scissors to open these. I think that might be the best move in the future. Echo. Anna. We need more Overwatch cards, but they're all duplicates. RPM Racing is a new one. We'll keep that. Anubarak. That's a good one. That is a new one. Arturus Manx. Beautiful. Making progress in this pack. Sylvanas Windrunner. She's probably my favorite character throughout the entire Warcraft universe. And a bust of a card. We have 4 more left. Let's go from the back. See what we could pull from here. that Tyrael? Yep. No, we're not dinging any edges. ETC, one of my least favorite characters in the Blizzard universe, Greymane. Lunara. Gul'dan. Epic looking card. Malthael. That's a new one. Beautiful. Malthael will immediately be going into a binder. Ner'zhul. Deathwing. The artwork on this card is fantastic too. As we take a look at Deathwing, this card, I believe in my last opening, got me to try Cataclysm Classics free weekend. That was recently. Tyrael. 3 to go. Let's grab this one and see what's in it. Yeah, I think a hobby box is going to be necessary. These are way too much fun. Blackthorn. Khadgar. Illidan. Horadric Q Belial. That's a new card too. Very close to a full cube. Lost Vikings, new card. Vala, or Demon Hunter from Diablo, the Butcher. You know you have to say fresh meat when you pull this card. That is a new one for me as well. Grommash Hellscream. Oh, wow. That's a new one too. So the binder is starting to fill out with this box, which makes me happy. I was very worried about pulling all duplicates again in a blaster box, but I'm not disappointed so far. Next pack. It's not going to open that direction. We'll come from this end. See some StarCraft in there. Nice. This StarCraft ladder. No. That's too risky. That's what I mean about protecting the edges of those cards. Especially if you're looking to get them graded. Rock and Roll Racing. Cassia. Mercy. Lady Vosh. Zoltan Cool, it's a new card. So we'll go to the binder. King Leoric. Deckard Cain. Diablo owns the rest of this pack, it looks like. No, Phoenix is going to come in and end it with a StarCraft. I don't think I have Phoenix yet either, so it looks like there's a nice little pile getting put together right here of cards I know I don't have that will end up in a binder. We are on last pack magic. Let's see if we can get a hit card out of our final Legacy Collection pack. If not, we're just going to have to wait till some more boxes show up in the mail. Which should be soon. No. I dinged up one pack before and I'm not letting it happen again. Farah. Tracer. Necrofizzle. That's a new one, Jane of Proudmoore. Marine. Kargoth Bladefist. Mal'Ganis. War Within is coming. Dark Wanderer. It looks like we're going to be wandering around until we get another Blizzard Entertainment blaster box or a hobby box. Let me know how you are enjoying the Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection openings so far, since more will be on the way. I would say this was a pretty decent box. Filled out some of my collection, but did not deliver the hit cards we wanted to. So I hope to see you in the next attempt when we tear into more of the Legacy collection. Until then, I want to thank you very much for watching, and if you made it this far in the video, do not forget to like and subscribe. That greatly helps our channel. Until our next video, have a good day or night wherever you are. Later.